welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with the hair portion of this video, and of course this wig is from RPGhair.com. As you can see, I'm giving my mother a pre-glam for Mother's Day, a pre-Mother's Day glam, and I decided to go ahead and apply this wig to her today. This is the ombre color slight wavy hairstyle Indian Remy hair lace front wig. All right, now as you can see, this wig, it did come with a like dark blonde color, but I went ahead and I used purple rage color to customize it, and if you need to see that video, I'll link it down below. So I got this wig like months ago from last year 2018, and so I customized it. So it's actually like a ombre blonde, but like a dark blonde color. So if you're interested, you could go ahead and check that out. The density of this wig is 130%, and it did come with, it's 100% Remy hair as well, and of course the knots were bleached. So as you can see, I proceeded to just winding up the hair. I did some pin curls because that's the vibe I definitely wanted to give her. It was Teacher's Day, by the way, so I was glamming her up for that, and I thought that this would be awesome to do because RPGhair is having a Mother's Day sale right now, so you can go ahead and shop over there and get dollars off. All right, and this sale ends on the 15th of May, so you don't want to miss that. Of course, you can use my discount codes PETITE-10 and PETITE-SUE15 to get dollars off, and I'll also link my direct page link, so go ahead and shop till you drop and get those dollars off. All right, so I really love the way the pin curls came together. I didn't do too much of a small sections because I didn't want it to be that small. So here is my mother and I proceeded to just applying the wig to her head. Don't mind her talking. I don't remember what we were talking about, but we were chatting it up. So I do the usual. I apply the Got to Be freezing spray, and from my experience, as you can see, sometimes I use wig caps to apply my wig, sometimes I don't. Personally, it doesn't affect my hair when I don't use the wig caps or anybody that I apply the wigs to. So sometimes if I'm going to be wearing the wig for shorter periods, I don't apply the wig cap. If I'm going to be wearing it for longer periods, then I apply the wig cap. So yeah, so I use a blow dryer, as you guys know, to help speed up the whole drying process of the spray, and the spray works like a gem. It really has a super strong hold, so I always love using this as the adhesive. So I move on into the makeup portion. I did something pretty simple. I didn't go all out because after all, it was a daytime glam anyway, so I just did a little bit of light coloring, like light eyeshadow and stuff, nothing too dramatic or anything like that. So as usual, I start off with the brows, and then I move on to priming her. Sometimes the guys always saying, my mother looks serious in the video. Listen, she is not upset about anything. She's perfectly fine. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying concealer here to highlight her, and just like me, I don't really apply foundation to her skin because it's daytime and she don't want to feel like she's wearing too much. So I feel like definitely this method worked perfectly for her, just like me. It's not a case where she like need to wear foundation, so I just do a bit of concealer and then powders for the rest of the face to just balance out everything, and then I pretty much just move on to eyeshadow for her. After this portion, I did like a light wash of earthy tones like browns in the crease, and then I did a bit of concealer to allow the eyeshadow I would apply on the lid to pop a little bit more, which I decided to take some yellow because she was wearing yellow and black on this day. I feel like this was perfect for the occasion. I moved on to just lining her upper and lower waterline and smoking that out a bit with some of the same browns I used for her crease area, and then I applied some light lashes, nothing dramatic at all. And after doing this, I pretty much just moved on to spraying her face and tapping this in so her face would be nice and dewy and set, so it wouldn't be slipping throughout the day and creasing up on her and stuff like that. And then I also applied a bit of illuminator. Now I moved on to lips, and she loved colors on her lips, period. She's not about the nude life, so she definitely was feeling this lippy, which is from Gaia Cosmetics. It is in the shade Charmaine. Now this is a beautiful pink, and she loved it. You know, I loved it on her, and I just pat that into her lips so that it will last a very long time. As you guys know, this is my little tip to not let it crack up too easily. Yes, after I was done with that, I pretty much just moved back onto the hair, and I was just laying the top part there flat, so you know it was just in place and looked together. And I unraveled the curls, as you can see, and they looked gorgeous. Loving how the lace is looking. Beautiful, it's stunning. As I said before, guys, go ahead and make use of this Mother's Day sale and get yourself a bomb wig from RPGhair. That's pretty much it for this look. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Leave your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.